The world's premier brainwashing institute, Europe falls off the precipice, how times were made to change, social engineering and social scientists, do we have what H.G. Wells called an invisible government, mass communications ushers in the polling industry, the making of public opinion, degrading women and decline of moral standards, how individuals and groups react to blending fact with fiction, polling comes of age, the paradigm shift in education, Lewin's doctrine of identity change, the induced decline of Western civilization between two world wars, America is not a homeland, the media's role in propaganda, scientific propaganda can deceive the very elect, propaganda and psychological warfare. Wilson gets the U.S. into World War I thanks to propaganda. History being repeated, the case of Lloyd Bryce, the black art of successful lying, the Gulf War, the Soldiers' Memorial and World War I cemeteries, peace is not popular, the Tavistock Institute, Britain's control of the U.S., brainwashing saves a U.S. president, Tavistock assault on the... There was another one of these things that say when they're going to release the stuff. Where's that one? How Tavistock makes well people sick. Isn't that something? How they make well people sick. Let's see. Zero growth in agriculture and industry, America's post-industrial society. Okay, exposing the upper level parallel secret government. So that was the one I was looking for. They have it when they're going to expose it. How they're going to expose it. So you only get what they want you to get.
I gotta get that. I don't download that.
Yeah.
So this is the crux of something right here now. Top Israeli scientist says the Ashkenazi Jews came from Khazaria, not Palestine. So I'm not going to read this because it's getting late. I'm giving it to you all to read, but I'll just tell you the gist of what it's really all about is that the people who we know as Jews in Israel is not Jews. So how I came to, this was a lot to try to do in one day, but it does connect because we're talking about the Tavistock coming from Germany and the Ashkenazi is also part of the German, which Nazis and the Jews and what they did. So you all are kind of at a disadvantage for all of this to really start to really make more sense because you didn't watch that video, the Black Nobility. Mr. Kenny watched it.